Uh-oh. Where is it? Where is it? Wolfie, what's wrong? What are you looking for? The cap that you gave me a month ago. I put it in my chest and now it's gone and I couldn't find it anywhere. Oh my goodness. Did you check the other rooms? Everywhere! I looked everywhere in the house and there is nothing. Nothing! Oh, my fault. What do you mean my fault? What did you do? Well, Wolfie, don't be mad or anything, but, I forgot to close the window from the living room. Wolfie, I told you! I'm sorry for being stupid. Yeah, that's correct for you to say. It wasn't my fault, alright? I just forgot to close the window because it got too hot. Well, thanks a lot for your stupidity, BF. Now you're coming with me to find my cap, whether you like it or not. Oh, man. Do we have to go to another adventure to find your cap? I mean, there are other caps that look like yours, but a little different than yours. So, why won't you just let me go and let me get you another cap? Oh, and you will pay my drink after getting you a new one. Quiet, BF. I just got a voice message for someone. Okay. Fine. Weird. How did they get my number for sure? Well, boyfriend, you really messed up big time. Now Wolfie is gonna burst in rage when she found out the house was being robbed. She scares me, really. Her attitude and actions are too serious than my girlfriend's attitude. I hope she doesn't get too upset about the news. Yeah, I think she will find out. Yep, her breaking boy has been broken already. Whoa, what's wrong, bud? We need to look for the person who stole my cap. What? Ah! Hey! What are you doing? You're coming with me to find this thief, and that's it. Do you really care about the cap that I gave you? Don't want to answer that. Now shut up. Dang, your attitude is way more serious than girlfriend. I said shut up. Okay. Jeez. And you're very strong too. Thank you for letting me go. My butt is killing me from pulling me while sitting on the ground sliding. Thanks to you, Wolfie. Hey, it's not my fault that you're the reason why my cap is missing. Now let's continue moving. What is this? Is this a portal? Did you make this? No, I didn't make this portal. But whoever this is, it has to be the thief that made this. That probably makes sense. Do we need to go in? Yes, of course. Hold my hand, BF. We're going in and confront this person together. Alright. Let's go.